A very pleasant good morning to everyone present here. Today I am here to share about International Women's Day. International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March every year around the world. It's a day dedicated to women's achievement in various fields all around the world. The main aim of Women's Day is to celebrate the achievement of women in various fields and the role they play, which be that they are an artist, a teacher, an administrator, a politician or scientist. It is also important to raise awareness about women's rights and about their gender inequality. We can all agree that no country has achieved gender equality. Let there few places where the concept of gender equality does not even exist. Around the world, women are not given equal opportunities. Girl child abusement is common in many crimes like child marriages are done and all the discrimination women faces. Women's Day should be considered a day where everyone acknowledges the value and the importance of women in our life and all around the world. Every woman is extraordinary no matter whether she works for home or office. It is so essential to celebrate a day like Women's Day to praise the hardships and the achievement of women. It is celebrated every year with a special theme to create social awareness about women's struggle and about their right, contribution, importance of education, livelihood, etc. I would like to conclude my speech by saying that every woman deserves equal right and opportunity. They should be given their due respect, and you should always remember that women are capable of everything and anything. Happy Women's Day to all ladies. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Riya Manoj Rathod. I am from 9th A. As you all know, the International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March. There had been one successful story if Indians were in sports, and we have that story now. Enough had been said about this great warrior who conquered the world. This warrior is none other than the Mary Monkey Kong. So today I am going to tell you some interesting facts of her life. Mary Kom was born in Kagathai village, Churchandpur district rural in Manipur in India. She came from poor Kom family. Her parents, Mangte Thonpa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom, were tenant farmers who worked in Jungfield. They named her Chungnei Jang. She grew up in humble surroundings, helping her parents in farm-related chores, going to school and learning athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Her father was a keen wrestler in his younger days. She was the eldest of 3 children. She has a younger brother and sister. She belongs to the Christian Baptist family. She became the first Indian female boxer to win the gold in Asian Games in 2014 at Incheon, South Korea, and the first female boxer to win gold in Commonwealth Games in 2018. She is also the only became boxer as an Asian amateur boxing champion for the record of 6 times. She won 51 kg of gold in President's Cup in Indonesia. At school, Kom participated in all types of sports involving volleyball, football and athletics. It was the success of Dinko Singh that inspired her to switch from athletics to boxing in 2000. She took her training under her first coach Kosana Mete at Imphal. When she was 15, she took decision to leave her hometown to study at Imphal Sports Academy. After that, she took training from the Manipur State coach Narjit Singh. She kept her interest in boxing as a secret from her father, himself an ex-wrestler. He worried about that the boxing can hurt Kom's face and spoil the chances of marriage. However, he learned in newspaper when the Kom's photo is appeared in newspaper because she won the state level boxing championship. After 3 years, her father became to support Kom's pursuit for boxing as she grew her love for boxing. She was a great legend for sure and an idol for all sportswomen to look up to. So let's salute this great warrior for her contribution for our country. Thank you.
हो गई मगन, महलों में पली बन के जोगन चली, महलों में पली बन के जोगन चली। मीरा रानी दीवानी कहानी लगी, ऐसी लागी लगन, मीरा हो गई मगन, ऐसी लागी लगन, मीरा हो गई मगन।
झूला वाले घाट घूमर घूमर
हो काटे रहने दे गुलाब तोड़ ले, नींदों की टहनियों से ख्वाब तोड़ ले, ख्वाहिशों की है कहानियां पढ़ी, चुन ले कहानियां किताब जोड़ ले, एक ही है जिंदगी